So if you want to add a payment method on Trendyol, you can do it while you check out. So what you can do, so just do your shopping and make an order, add an item to your checkout. So once you get to your add it to your cart and you're done, you're satisfied, you want to purchase it. So all you have to do is go and click on the checkout option. So when you click on the checkout option, once you provide your address and then enter your payment details, so how you want to pay it, just enter that. So enter your payment details, and when you check out, there'll be an option to which says to save your card information or add your payment method. So just tick that box to save your card information. So whatever you are paying with the card, that card information will be saved. So it's once it's saved, you can see that here when you go to your accounts tab here, when you scroll all the way down under my payment methods, if you click on it, and here you will see the saved card details here. So at the moment nothing is saved, but once you save it, you will see it here. So just when you check out, just tick the box to save your card details and it will pop up here under payment methods.